Do you have a black thumb? Do you have a black thumb? I've got the plant for you. If you love a modern, updated plant that handles low light and you cannot kill, today I'm going to talk to you about Sansevieria. There's a bunch of different kinds and shapes and textures of Sansevieria that you might like. You may have seen it out. It is, a lot of people call it snake plant. And a lot of times you'll see this one. This is probably one of the most identifiable Sansevierias in the group, along with this one here. It kind of has like a zebra stripe look to it. But what I love so much about all of these plants is that, like I said, if you have a black thumb, you just cannot kill it. You take it, you can put it in low light inside your house and pretty much ignore it, and it will survive. So you can see the different, this one, and you can see how big they get too. This one is like a 5-gallon or a 3-gallon planter, and you can see how tall it gets. After it gets this large, you can divide it if you want. You can just keep potting it bigger and bigger, and it will continue to spread outward. They all do reach a maximum height, but they continue to bulk out in size. You can keep potting them up. I have here a bunch of white and concrete planters because I kind of feel like the way that they look is a modern feel, which lends itself to this style of planter as well. And they're super simple. All you have to do is just drop one in to the planter to make it look like, well, this one doesn't fit very well. Let's try a different one. Maybe this one. Let's see what this one can do. So you can see that it just fits right in there. You don't have to repot it if you don't want to create just a little modern look for your house. That one sits right in. You water them like you would a succulent, maybe once every 2 weeks or so. It doesn't need a ton of water. Oop, that one doesn't fit either. But you guys get the idea. Maybe this one will fit in here. You guys get the idea. That's the same one I tried earlier. It didn't fit, you guys. Anyway, you guys can see it. Those are the Sansevieria. You can see how large they get, how small they can come, so you can fit them into your budget and whatever your home style is. If you want a tabletop one, if you want one on a shelf, that'd be really nice. Or in a corner, you can get something that's higher like this that'll create some height in your space that barely takes any care at all. So you black thumbs, go get some Sansevieria.